guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt, and today I've kind of been in one of those moods that I want to like stay comfortable, but I have stuff to do in the yard, and I don't really want to wear a whole lot of makeup, but I still want to kind of feel pretty. I don't know, there are days when I will get up and throw on an eyeshadow all over my lid and a lip color and some mascara and go about my day, and that's kind of how I'm feeling today. But because I just got a Boxycharm in and I just got done unboxing it, I want to go ahead and use some of the products that were in the box to include into the makeup that I'm going to be doing today. I will be using products from not only my May Ipsy Glam Bag, but my May Boxycharm. And I have a couple of items from each that I will be testing out. I even have an eyeshadow from April's Ipsy Glam Bag. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first thing is from Milk Makeup. This is the Luminous Blur Stick. I'm not quite sure how this is supposed to work, but I mean, I have a breakout here. I thought it was like a bug bite or something because it itched and I scratched it, and now I got a little spot on my face. I have another one up here right in between my eyebrows. I had one here and it healed. Now I've got one a little lower, and I just found that one. So I'm not quite sure how you're supposed to use this. I don't know if you're just supposed to swipe it on and smear it around. So that's what I'm gonna, kind of smells like a creamsicle. Let me start with that much and see how this works. And I'm only doing like half my face. And of course, me touching my face is making me red. Other than the fact that I made my face red, I don't see, this is supposed to be a blurring primer. And I'm glad that it said it was silicone free, because I think I'm having problems with silicone. Looks like it left glitter on my face. Maybe right in here it looks a little bit more blurred. That just looks like I just put straight glitter on my face. Kind of like tapping it in. Let me zoom you guys in. So this is the side without it, and then this is the side with it. Are you seeing any difference in my skin? I mean, I can see it like up close in the mirror, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to like test it out a couple of different ways and like test it under foundation. It looks like it's putting like gold glitter all over my face. I mean, it literally looks like I just rubbed a highlighting stick on my face. Guess I need to push some on my schnoz. I can't tell me you can't see. See the shimmer on my nose? It's like I just put a gold stripe down my nose. I got dry skin on the end of it. That doesn't surprise me. Not quite sure how I feel about that. So normally I would go on with corrector and concealer under my eyes right after I do like a primer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to be taking the normal like correctors that I use, which is the CW, what is it, CW10? Yeah, CW10. This is a yellow corrector from NYX. I still have that primer of theirs that's yellow. I bought a couple weeks back. I haven't had a chance to test it out yet. I want to see if it will help. I have a yellow base in my skin anyways, Some days I pull more green, some days I pull more yellow. I got that a little too close to my eye. I'm going to check if you're seeing. Usually I'll then go in with like contour or bronzer. I'm not going to put a whole lot on right now. This is a Lexi 110 brush, I think. 1010. This is a small contour brush. It came from an Ipsy, and I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer Kit in light medium. And then this is a Lexi foundation brush that I just kind of use to blend things out. And I think since I already have it out, I'm going to go ahead and pick up my Lexi 245, the 249 brush, and I'm going to grab that bronzer and work it on my crease and run it right under my lash. Now for blush, I'm just going to go in with one of mine. Get it open. I'm debating on whether or not to declutter this because it's old and it's got some discoloration on the top, but the color down underneath is fine. So I don't know if I should just toss it or continue to try and make it work. I mean, as you can see, pigmentation is there. It's just, I don't know. I don't know how I feel with that. Now I'm going to go in with my Luna by Luna highlighter. This is an Electra. And this is something I got in my latest box. This is from the Boxycharm box. This is in the shade Venus. This is also from Luna by Luna. It's a lip gloss, and I noticed when I tried to get it off my hand, it like left a stain spot on my hand, and I used the dishwashing soap in the kitchen that they use to remove like oil off of like animals during oil spills here in Florida, and it stayed on my hand pretty good. So I've washed my hands several times. I finally got most of it off. There's still some glitter left on my hand, so kind of more orangey on my lips than I expected it to be. Kind of more like a butterscotch color. It's definitely kind of thick, but it doesn't feel, I thought it was kind of going to be tacky, but it's not, and it's got enough color to it to go over my actual natural lip color, so that's nice. Okay, now that I've got the one shade down, I'm going to come in with this dark brown shadow. This is Chocolate Shake from Laura Sanchez, and I'm going to deepen up this outer area. This brush came from my latest Ipsy glam bag. The Laura Sanchez product came from my April glam bag. And this brush is by Farrah. It is their 22E shade and blend. And I'm dragging that right under my lash line as well, as close to my bottom lashes as possible. And you'll understand what I'm doing here in just a minute. I'm then going to take that same Luxie brush that I used before, the 249. This is from Estate Cosmetics. This is in the shade Shimoni. And it's funny, I watched another YouTuber do an unbagging for this yesterday, and she's like, Shmoney? I'm guessing she's never heard the song or the phrase Shimoni before. And I started in the middle of my lid, and I'm carrying it out to the outer edge, and then going in about 3/4 of the way in with like a pat then swipe motion, because this green isn't very opaque, but there's like gold reflex in it. And then I'm gonna take the brush and a little underneath my lash line as well. Because I have olive toned skin, it looks a lot more olive green on me than it does in the pan. In the pan, it kind of looks more like an emerald or a jewel tone green, but on my skin, it looks a lot more olive, which is, you know, it's fine by me. I love green. So for those that don't know, green and blue are my favorite colors. So Rebecca, stab yourself in the eye. Yep. Okay, the reason I left the inner part of my eye open is because I have this. This is from Ciate London. And instead of applying it directly from the applicator, I'm going to use a little flat synthetic brush. And I just scrape some off onto there. It says you can apply it by itself, so. I think I picked up way too much. I do not want that in my eye. It's got glitter in it. I'm sharing with the other side. Oh crap, I just touched my lid with the brush. I'll make it work. I'm getting all fancy to go plant some plants. Because this glitter is chunky, and I mean chunky, it looks like there are spots on my lid where there is no glitter. Like right in here, it looks like there's a bald spot right there. I can see the product there, but because of the way the ring light is reflecting off the glitter, I'm gonna go ahead and pop some. And I got none left on the brush. I got a little left on the brush. I always close my eyes to do this. I see YouTubers that do this and they don't close their eyes, and it always makes me wonder how they don't get stuff in their eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and grab just a little bit more off the brush and see if I can fill in this spot. And this is funny, it's like a white and a silver, but it has like pink and green and purple iridescent glitter in it. It's making my eyes sting a little bit. Okay, it's making my eyes sting quite a bit. God, that's awful. I don't like the burning. It burns. It burns. Ooh, buddy, it burns. Perfume sample smells good though. Yep, smells good. It's like a mixture of whatever this one is. Giorgio Armani and Dolce & Gabbana light blue mixed together. Oh, that smells like girl. Both of these are like guy colognes. Yep, that smells nice. Okay, it's not burning quite as bad, but where I went in and like built up on the inner part of my eye, it's like stinging. That's what it looks like up close. And there's still a little bit left on the brush. It's funny, when you heat silver to melt it to make things, it doesn't look this bright. It looks a lot duller than this. This actually reminds me of like liquid platinum. Because when you heat platinum, it looks like this, like an icy silver. That was like right in my lashes, almost in my waterline. I don't know how I feel about how chunky it is. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Rose Glow liner from Pixi by Petra and just go right above my lash line. I really love how easily these pencils glide on. They're super, super soft. You need a very light hand to use it. But it's like spreading butter on hot corn. I done lost a brush. Now, if I was just bumming around the house, I'd have just thrown on some bronzer in my crease and the Estate eyeshadow just all over the lid. I wouldn't have used the Ciate product. Hell, I wouldn't have even used a liner. But the next thing I have to use is this from Pure. It poked me. I don't curl my lashes really hardly at all because my lashes are like super long. And I have a problem when I put mascara on anyways because mascara always transfers. My lashes are... I'm going to go ahead and come forward. So instead of moving the camera, I'm going to move to the camera and let you guys get a closer look and let me know what you think. Which side do you like better? This side with the earring is my left. It's the only earring that I have left on my upper piercings. I had 7 in this ear and 5 in this one, and all the holes, for whatever reason, that kept messing up, and they were pierced wrong. Some of them have like little bulges and stuff still on them from like decades ago from them being pierced with a gun. Bad idea. But this is the only earring piercing that I have left besides the 2 down here. So this is my left side. So you have Benefit Roller Lash on the right, and you have the Benefit Bad Gal Bang on the left. Let me know which one you guys like better. If you like them both, then put both. If you like one over the other, then let me know that. Usually what I'll do is I will put mascara on, do an eye look, and then run back over the mascara again once it's dry. I don't usually go back over my lashes twice while the mascara is still wet, and that's just because I don't want clumpy lashes. I don't like spidery looking lashes. I don't like clumpy lashes. I don't like the big fat blobbed lashes together. It drives me insane. I don't like thick, clunky, chunky, flaky lashes. That's just personal preference. So this is the Bad Gal Bang side. This is the Benefit Roller Lash. So you guys tell me what you think in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you like. And I will see you guys in another video very soon. Hopefully you guys have a great day or night wherever you are.